Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs for the 2010 Nissan Murano. Let's get started. With these two lights, it's only one light bulb. So this one right here, so we just turn this way. And you can see the light bulb here. This is the new one, it's LED, and I'm going to put this in. So try not to touch anything about the now you just do this way. The back is turn this side. Okay, so this one is done, and we move on the next one. For the Xenon light bulb, this one, we are going to replace this one, Xenon light bulb right now, and same with the other side, the big one, Xenon light. And I go to this side, it's easy to make a video, and we just replace the other side of these two, just only one light bulb, and now it's going to Xenon light. First thing, we have to remove these two plastic pins. Just push up and the rubber door will open. Doors here and like this, and you can see the Xenon light bulb covers here. So there's a side there to open and to lock. So for this one to open is facing this way. Follow the side to open and lock. So you can see the Xenon light connectors right here. So we have to turn this way. So in order to remove the Xenon light bulb, so we come up and go with the releasing. But just be careful when you doing the cube. Just be careful, and I get a little one going in. Let's turn it and lock it. This gentle to testing is locked in place. And ready to go and put back the cover. The Xenon light bulb is done, and we're moving on the outside, the side marker yellow lights is right here. See, and move it, turn it inside. This way, turn it inside. Top surface. Nice and fine. That's it. Fine. So this one done. So make sure we put back the Xenon light cover, and then we put back the rubber door. to cover it nicely. Xenon light and side marker light are done already. Okay, let's move on to turn signal. This light bulb and this light bulb. This one is a little bit difficult to remove, so in order to replace this turn signal, we have to remove this top piece first. Let's get started. Top cover comes out. So this side plastic cover comes out, and we need to do this side here, and in order to remove this silver piece, because it's connected all together, you can see. So you can see this side here. This right here, if you can stick the hand inside here, so you don't need to remove this piece here, but I think it's really difficult. It's really tiny here. So I remove another side as well over here, and now the plastic bowl already removed for the silver piece. The only thing is the tab here, side tab, and side tab on this side. Remove it, you can see the turn signal prominence here and also here. So now it's very simple. So you just turn it to be able to release it. So turn signal lights here. Yeah, it's just a little bit difficult for doing the turn signal light bulb, but just take your time and remove the two plastic and the front grill. Make sure the two tab on the side and just gently slide to the front. So signal light is out. So my signal lights are okay. I just show you guys how to remove and replace it. So I just put everything back by reverse order, and then we can test all the lights functioning. For the fog light, I have another video for replacing the fog light, but you can check out with my another video for doing the fog light. So all the front end of the light should be good to go. So all the light is working out nice and good.